Welcome back, IP6. I hope you're doing great. You're staying safe and you're having a lovely time in your holidays for Christmas and New Year's. So now let's get started for this class. All right. So we are still talking about 3D software and how to make 3D models. We are talking about Tinkercad and we want to continue the lessons on the platform. So we will move to the website now. So let's open the program and practice together. So just go to the website. Sign in. So today we will continue with the ruler. All right. So we aim to create this. And we just go through it step by step together. So let's start with adjusting the snap grid in the lower right corner of the editor. So edit the grid right down here. It says change it from 1 to be 0.25. So here we will change it to 0.25. Once we done that, we go to the next step. Drag a box shape to the work plane. Scale it smaller to a height of 2 millimeters. Okay. So we can find the box. We drop it. We scale it down to be 2 millimeters. Okay, great. And we can extend it. So scale it to be smaller to a size of 60 by 20 or 60 by 20 and move it to the area in the highlighted orange. So we did that already. So it should be 60. And we move it to the highlighted. So one more time for you. We change it to be 2 and 60 by 20. So this should be 60. Then you just move it into the orange area. Okay, pretty simple till now. Next, we move on and drag a cylinder shape to the work plane. So we drag a cylinder shape. This is a cylinder shape. Scale it smaller to diameter of 2. So the diameter should be 2. Sorry, 2. Oh, this is not so. Okay. And we put it right here. And let's scale it higher, scale it taller to a height of 60. So we put 60 here. Perfect. Now, let's move on. Rotate the cylinder and move it down to the work plane. Copy and paste the cylinder and move each to the area marked in orange. Aha, okay, so we can see the orange area by the side. So now we have to rotate our cylinder. So don't forget, if you hold shift, it will go 45, 90. So every 45 degrees, it will move 45 degrees only. So it's more exact. And then you can move it down. About here. And move it close. Here. Let's look from the top how it looks. Just adjust it a bit. And we put one copy there. And just bring it a bit lower. Perfect. So now we have this shape. Let's move on. Now drag a roof shape to the work plane. Now let's find the roof shape. There's the roof shape. We drag it in, scale it smaller to be a height of 2 millimeters. So height of 2. And one scale it smaller to a smaller size of 1 millimeter. And 20 millimeters. And we move it into the area, orange area. Copy and paste the roof shape. So let's copy it. And then scale it smaller to a 1 millimeter to 6. So this should be 6. And move it to the area highlighted. So I'm guessing we have to rotate it also. So a rotation of 180 degrees, and we can move on. And then copy and paste the shape and scale it smaller to the 1, 2, 3. Okay. Move it a bit and scale it a bit smaller. Bring it down a bit. Great. Okay. Then we just copy it. Next. Next. So about that, you can adjust here a bit. Yeah, perfect. And now we have completed this one too. Copy and paste 7 times. All right. Next, we have to copy and paste the roof shapes as needed to fit. All right, so let's just select them all. Let's fix this one maybe. And this. And then just take the whole thing and fill in the gaps for the next part. Okay, and we just have some leftovers here, and just complete these two. and we move on. Next, we can move everything in the proper area as shown in the orange part. So try to select all, then you just move it. So now that we have that, all right. So now we have that. Select all the roofs and put it in the orange area. So once we did that, you can see some stuff now. So just drag number shapes into the orange area again. You can just put the text and just put one. Oops. You can try with text. So just write down one. Okay. You can scale it down a bit. Okay, we just do with this one, and we can adjust to be our size that we need approximately. There we go. remove it. Picture. Three. Four. 5. Move on. Select the numbers. Make them smaller. All right. And then don't forget to press shift so it keeps the proportion as it is. Move the numbers now to be here. Give it number 1. The top first, top, and then we can move it to the inside. And we move the numbers to the correct position. 2, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Once you have done that, you have completed the ruler lesson. So that's how you can make a ruler and try to follow as the Tinkercad explains. And that's all for today. Have a lovely holidays, guys, and Christmas and New Year. I hope you will have a great year coming. Take care, stay safe. See you next class. Bye-bye.